much of my money.
Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for tuning into today's video. So today I'm coming to you guys looking a bit rough, but trust me, we gonna change all that. We gonna work on it. So yeah, I am coming to you guys in the raw with nothing on. My hair is on its 7th day and I have nothing on my face, nothing at all, because we are about to jump in the shower and I am going to be bringing you guys a wash and go using some very unique products. So if you're interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so today's wash and go is brought to you by the brand Naturalicious. And great thing about Naturalicious is that they are a brand, a natural hair care line that promise to give you a wash and go that only takes 30 minutes to do. So guys, 30-minute wash and go, I'm all for it. And this is going to be great for us busy people in the world, which I'm sure the majority of us are. So who doesn't want to do their wash and go in 30 minutes? I don't know anybody who wants to spend hours and hours and hours doing their hair. Obviously, we want the results that that time gives us, but nobody is trying to be taking that long to do their hair. So Naturalicious offers us a solution where we can get those same benefits in 30 minutes. And the way they do that is because the entire line is 3 products. So for me, the Miracle product is the first step in this process, which is the Moroccan Rasoul 5-in-1 Clay Treatment. And so this product claims to be a shampoo, a conditioner, a deep conditioner, a detangler, and a leave-in conditioner. All that in this little baby right here. So we're going to jump in the shower and go ahead and apply this product. Once we finish that, we will style our hair using these 2 products. So step 2 is actually this one here, which is the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream. And then step 3 is the Define Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter. However, I'm going to do a little swap because I like to do the LOC method as opposed to the LCO method. So I will be applying the oil before the cream. So yeah guys, that's what we're going to be doing today, and I'm actually going to time this process to see if we can actually complete our wash and go in 30 minutes. So I'm going to go get ready to get in the shower and then we'll start the timer once we're in the shower. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I'm starting off by rinsing my hair and just getting rid of all the old product that was in my hair. And then we're going to move on to step 1. So this is how much I'm using at first. So I applied it to my scalp, kind of like how you would do a shampoo. And I'm just washing my scalp right now. And then I'm adding a little bit more. I kept feeling like the more I added, the more it was just disappearing into my hair. So I did feel like I had to use quite a bit. So just massaging and cleansing my scalp right now. And now I'm adding even more to the ends of my hair so I can begin the detangling process. So I don't know what I was thinking because I never ever do this. I just started detangling my whole hair and I never ever do that. I always section my hair at least into 2. You can see here by my face, you can see I'm having a little bit of trouble trying to get the tangles out. So that was definitely a mistake number 1. So I then realized I needed to split my hair in half. And when I did that, it did become a little bit easier, but I still needed to add more product to that section. So here we go guys, the 3rd time I'm applying more product to my hair. And as you can see, after I did apply the amount of product that I actually needed, it became a lot easier to detangle my hair. So now I'm just following those same exact steps on the other side. So applying the product to the section and then detangling. And this is how I normally detangle. I like to use a combination of a wide tooth comb and my fingers. So I run the comb through, and when I come across a pretty big knot, I will use my finger to separate it. And that's always worked for me. So once I finished that, I just rinsed out the product. And now let's see where we are on time. So step 1 took us about 9 minutes, guys. So now on to styling. All right, guys, so I'm back after completing step 1. So now we're gonna move on to steps 2 and 3. I'm gonna resume the timer because I did stop the timer after I finished washing and conditioning my hair with step 1 because I just wanted to take a shower. So I stopped it right after I rinsed it out. So we were at 8 minutes 57 seconds with the first step. So now I'm gonna start so we can get to styling. So here we go, time to style. All right, so, oh yeah, I am wearing a onesie, don't judge me. It is super duper cold. For those of you that live in the New England area, you know what I'm talking about. It's been so cold this past week. So yeah, I'm wearing a onesie. All right, so my hair is dripping. So let's get started. I'm gonna first separate my hair into sections like I always do. So my hair feels super squeaky clean, but yet it does feel like I have leave-in conditioner on. So it definitely does live up to that. All right, so I'm just running my fingers through to make sure that my hair is fully detangled. And as I mentioned, I'm actually gonna swap step 2 and 3. I'm gonna do step 3 first, which is the oil. 10 minutes, guys. Okay. So I'm just gonna do, I think 1 pump should be enough, and apply it to my section. It smells really nice. It smells like candy. It smells super sweet. Okay, so the oil definitely took away that squeakiness feeling that I had from the first step. And now we're just gonna move on to step 2, which is the styling cream. All right, so it's a pretty thick cream. I'm gonna take a little bit and just start like that, and then I'll just add more if I feel like I need it. Yeah, definitely need more. So I took like this, a lot more. Just gonna rake it in. And like I do with a lot of products that I'm not used to using, I'm gonna use the shingling method to ensure maximum definition. So I'm gonna try to move pretty quickly because the shingling method is a bit time consuming. We're at 12 minutes. Okay, scratch that. We're just gonna rake this through and use a little bit of praying hands. All right, so this is what we're working with. Okay, so first half done. And we're at 15 minutes, so we're making good time. Now let's do the other side. So the fact that the cream comes in a tub does help save some time because you're not constantly having to grab a bottle to try to empty. You can just scoop it right up. All right, guys, we're done. Let's see where we're at with time. Wow. 19 minutes and 24 seconds. Would you look at that? All right, guys, so there you go. Wash and go under 20 minutes, let alone 30 minutes. And now we're just gonna air dry and see the final results after that. All right, guys, so we're back and we're done with our wash and go. So this is the end result. The hair is 100% dry after completing my not less than 30-minute wash and go, less than 20-minute wash and go. I don't know, maybe that's a Naturalicious world record. As you can see, my curls look really nice. The way that I would describe my hair right now is defined, super light, and shiny. So one of the products in the line is the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter, and it's an oil, and I really forgot how much my hair loves oils because I haven't really been using oils. So this was a really nice surprise to see my hair really enjoy this product. I do have to say that the step one is a little scary. It is a clay, so it was a bit different from what I'm used to when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. When I was applying it to my hair, I applied it as if I was applying a shampoo, but then I realized it's more of like a conditioning cleanser, so I needed to section my hair and apply it section by section as I would normally when I condition my hair. And I ran into a little bit of trouble detangling it at first, but once I kind of figured out the routine, it was good to go. The cream is also very nice. As I was applying it, I was a bit scared that it wasn't going to give me enough hold, but it did an awesome job. And because it was light in my hair actually dried pretty quickly, which typically when I do my normal wash and goes, it takes forever for my hair to dry. So all in all, I am loving the results of this super quick and easy wash and go. I'll leave a link to the Naturalicious website so you guys can head on over there and check out their products. I just wanted to take this time to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my wash and go under 20-minute wash and go routine, and leave me a comment down below. Let me see, what do I want you guys to comment? Leave me a comment down below how long it typically takes you to complete your wash and go. Don't include drying time, just shampoo, condition, deep condition, detangle, and styling. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm
Stop. Okay, I was fucking crack your wig.